Hello everyone. Today we have an interesting issue on a 2007 Kia Magentis, also known as Kia Optima. The strut tower had rusted to a point of having a hole in there, so we're gonna repair it. This is a view from the bottom. There is a hole right beside the strut here. We're gonna have to remove the strut and patch it from both the inner side and outer side. It has been cleaned from the bottom. There is some rust on the tower too, so we're gonna have to clean that and paint. Also, it has been cleaned from the top here a little bit. We have to cut out some pieces and then weld some new pieces to it. Cut out all the loose rust, just solid metal left. Same thing underneath, all cut out. The rust at the top is only a surface rust, so we're just gonna clean that. And then weld two sheets, one on each side. We've fabricated a little piece that fits right into that hole. We're gonna weld that around. So we had to bang it out in order to make it close to this sheet that we have already tacked in. Now we're gonna weld it. So at the top, it has been already welded and cleaned. Pretty much ready for painting. The bottom has been welded. All nice and clean. Now, we're not gonna clean it up because it's not visible in the bottom there, but we will paint it. And we still need to clean up the rust all around. So we've cleaned up the rust and applied some rust converter. So the whole thing has been cleaned and primed, including our little spot here. Almost invisible spot here has been primed. Strut tower has been very nicely painted. It looks almost like new. Can't tell the difference. So is the bottom. Nice, beautiful. Now just gotta reinstall the strut and the repair is complete. Now the vehicle is fully assembled. The spring is back inside. The strut, I mean. All of this is painted. The strut tower is painted and also rust-proofed with the rust-proofing oil to prevent further rusting. We are also going to rust-proof the whole vehicle.